How to search for YouTube videos by specific date. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily search for YouTube videos from a specific date. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your website and then simply search for youtube.com and make sure to log into your account. If you usually type in the type on the search bar, you should be able to find a filter, but that is not a specific filter that you can pinpoint a specific date on that. So what I'm talking about is if I just go ahead and click on the search bar and simply search for something like Disney, let's say, hit enter and you'll be able to see all of these dates. So if you want to filter it more, click on filters. Now here on the upload date, you can only choose from last hour, today, this week, this month, and this year. So if you want to go multiple years back, somewhere around like, let's say 2018, 2019, then you won't be able to do so. So there is a workaround for that. What you can do is open up a new tab and simply search something like this site, type in colon. From this, you're going to have to type in youtube.com and then search for Disney. Now, what it does is it will automatically show all of the results for Disney that's on YouTube, or if there is a specific video you want to find, you just type in that name right here. After that, go to Tools, and once you head over to Tools, you just have to go to Anytime and then click on Custom Range. Now you can select a specific date. So from, let's say if I want to go back, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this date. So you're going to have to click a lot if you want to go back. Let's say if I want something from 2022, September, just select the specific date and then on to, let's say, let's go to next month, select October 1st. Click on Go. And now it will automatically filter out all of the videos that has been posted within that time range. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.